everyone, my name is Zandile Mthabela and I am an associated PPM attorney located in Johannesburg, in Parktown. I specialize in commercial litigation and media law. In this video, I will be covering the court online system and how to maneuver it. If you are puzzled about the court online abuzz, please watch my video to learn its tricks of the trade, so to speak. Court Online is an online platform that is used by legal practitioners or litigants to file their documents or pleadings online. So, if you want to open a new civil case or want to issue a summons, you don't have to go to court to do so. You can do it online from anywhere in the world in the comfort of your home. It feels like remote working, right? Some may recall that in the past, if one wanted to issue a summons or a notice of motion, he or she would have had to go to court to have it issued. Although that process may not have been scrapped, the court's July directive provides for a summons or an application to be issued via Court Online. The benefits of using Court Online are as follows. It minimizes physical appearance in court for the purposes of filing court documents. It eradicates lost or misplacement of court files or creation of duplicate files. One has access to an up-to-date record of filed documents in the matter. It is accessible anywhere in the world. It has the functionality of presenting and directing court to specific evidence. You can invite other parties to the matter electronically. It also provides for an automated index and pagination, so there is no need to spend hours compiling a hearing bundle. One can present one's case paperlessly in court. One has access to fully traceable audit trail, which states which, when, and by whom the document was uploaded onto Court Online. You are apprised of each step as the matter unfolds. Guess what? You can also initiate urgent matters on Court Online. I hope I've given you sufficient background on Court Online to lure you into registering your profile on Court Online. So you may be asking yourself as to how does one register on Court Online? You will need to fill out an online registration form and click on register. You should then receive a verification email in the mailbox. When it arrives, click on the link in the email to verify your account. You may want to check your spam or junk mail as the verification email may land in it. If for some reason you don't receive the verification email, please contact Court Online's help desk for support. You can register as an individual or as an organization, in this case, a law firm. If one were to ask what CaseLines is, I would say CaseLines is also an online court system that allows litigants to file and upload court documents online. The purpose of CaseLines is to enable the efficiency and effectiveness of court administration. What is the difference between Court Online and CaseLines? I would say both have automated pre-populated lists of documents into which a person may upload a document. However, on Court Online, if a provision is not made for such document, one must email Court Online's help desk with a request to add a new document type on Court Online. Whereas on CaseLines, one can simply create a new section for a new document type. On Court Online, one doesn't have to invite a registrar, as the application for a hearing or trial date is automatically routed to the registrar or clerk responsible for the enrollment, whereas on CaseLines, the relevant registrar must be invited. On Court Online, you can include an estimate of the upcoming hearing. For instance, whether you anticipate that the case may need to be heard over 2 hours, 3 days, etc. Court Online has subcategories for active and closed cases, whereas CaseLines doesn't. There are similarities between Court Online and CaseLines, and they are as follows. On Court Online, you can add people to a case. On CaseLines, such is referred to as inviting a person to a case. It's the same thing, just a different terminology. On CaseLines, one uploads the documents onto the sections portal, whereas on Court Online, one uploads onto a document type screen. You can create or download a hearing bundle both on Court Online and CaseLines. Thank you for watching my video. I hope it helped you navigate both CaseLines and Court Online. If you would like to see more, you can check out PPM's socials below. And until next time, have a lovely day.